3 concerns about the rapid expansion of federal criminal law.
There are 3 important reasons why every American should be worried about the rapid expansion of federal criminal law. First, you could easily commit a federal crime without even knowing it. In fact, you might already have done so. A June 2008 report found that there are now over 4,400 federal criminal offenses on the books. Over the past several years, Congress has been creating over 1 new criminal law a week. And hundreds of these offenses criminalize conduct that no one would even imagine is criminal. For example, an Alaskan inventor serving a federal prison sentence in Idaho was arrested, indicted, and prosecuted for failing to put the right sticker on a UPS package. Everything else about his shipment was perfectly legal. And federal law says that if you violate the rules of an online social networking site, such as Facebook or MySpace, by using a false name when you register, you could serve up to 5 years in federal prison. Second, few Americans accused of a federal crime ever get their day in court. Even if you're charged with a nonviolent crime that doesn't involve drugs, the chances are extremely high that you'll plead guilty before you ever get an opportunity to tell your side of the story to a judge or jury. The definitions of nonviolent crimes are so broad, and federal prison sentences today are so long that it's usually far too risky to go to trial, even if you never intended to do anything wrong. You're far better off pleading guilty to try to get a shorter sentence. Third, over-federalizing crime makes our streets less safe. It leads, ironically, to a greater risk that you'll be a crime victim. When Congress federalizes crime that's inherently local in nature, carjacking for example, your local police department often thinks it can turn its attention elsewhere and leave that crime to the feds. But the FBI does not have an office in every city, much less officers patrolling every street. And FBI agents shouldn't be the ones in charge of making sure that your neighborhood stays safe. The proliferation of federal criminal law puts everyone at risk, and Congress needs to kick its 1 crime a week habit.
The rapid expansion of federal criminal law leads to these 3 concerns. It's easy to unknowingly violate federal criminal law. Few federal defendants ever get their day in court. And over-federalizing crime makes us less safe. For more information, log on to heritage.org.